morning. PS Berlin International School have organized district level science exhibition. I am Mizan Aftab Kochi from Legal Public School, Konde. I am studying in class 6. My project name is water heater. For the construction of water heater, I have taken the wire, plastic bottle, 2 spoons, sellotape and 1 pin. You can see here the water temperature is 28 Celsius. Now I will show work of my model. Now I can need to take my water heater to connection. I will first plug the pin.
Carefully.
And I will read in the water heater. See, now I will start. Now the water will start in heating. After few minutes, it started to boiling. Till I will put here my project beside and I will tell you working of principle. Copper wire are conductor of the electricity and metal spoon also. So both are used to conduct water heater. So the both are useful to construction of water heater. So you can use water heater for many purposes like boiling water, bathing water, drinking water and many more. What is occur changes in the water. You can see here the bubbles are on the spoon, air bubbles are on the spoon and water vapor are coming. It means the water is heating. So I will stop the connection and we will see the temperature of water. Now I am moving. Now I will check temperature of water with the help of thermometer. You can see temperature is increasing. It's rising more than 40 Celsius. So you can use water heater. You can see it is working. You can see the metal spoons and copper wire are conductor of the water heater.
Electricity.
So thank you.